Welcome to Places Beyond Words. Today we're taking you to the Rhine Falls, the largest waterfall in Europe. This breathtaking spectacle, located near the town of Schaffhausen, is a marvel of natural beauty and power. The falls are a dramatic display of the mighty Rhine River's strength. Plunging over a rocky ledge into a frothy, swirling basin below. Around the falls, beautifully manicured parks offer the perfect spot for a leisurely picnic. As you enjoy your meal, you're treated to the constant roar of the water, creating a soothing soundtrack to your experience. But perhaps the most thrilling way to experience the Rhine Falls is by boat. These trips take you astonishingly close to the falls, where you can feel the spray of water on your face, a tangible reminder of the raw power of nature. The Rhine Falls are more than just a waterfall. They are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. A spectacle that is bound to leave you in awe.